Welcome to French Circles. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of
paraître,
the verb that helps you express how things seem.
paraître,
Means to appear or to seem. It's like a mirror, showing how others perceive you. Let's explore it together. For instance,
elle paraît triste,
she appears sad, or
ça paraît difficile,
that seems hard. Got it? Now, let's tackle the present tense. Here's how
paraître,
is conjugated. Ready to memorize?
je parais, tu parais, il paraît, elle paraît, nous paraissons, vous paraissez, ils paraissent, elles paraissent. Je parais fatigué,
I seem tired. You can do this. Keep up with me for more.
tu parais nerveux,
You look nervous.
il paraît content,
He seems happy. It flows easily.
nous paraissons confiants.
We seem confident. Just like that, you're building your French skills.
Vous paraissez sérieux,
You look serious. And for they?
ils paraissent calmes.
They seem calm. Now think of
Paraître,
as the appearance verb. It reflects, but doesn't define.
il paraît que,
Introduces rumors. Example.
il paraît qu'il va pleuvoir.
Means it seems like it will rain.
Faire paraître,
Means to publish. For example.
elle fait paraître un article chaque semaine.
Easy, right? And
Sans paraître,
means without showing.
il écoute sans paraître intéressé.
Captures the essence perfectly. Let's explore.
Paraître,
In different tenses. It's the key to mastering conversations. In
passé composé. Le magazine est paru hier.
the magazine was published yesterday. Simple. Imparfait form.
Il paraissait triste chaque matin.
He used to seem sad every morning. Feel the rhythm. Now look ahead.
Le nouveau livre paraîtra demain.
The new book will be published tomorrow. Exciting, huh? Now it's your turn. Comment below a sentence using
Paraître.
Let's see your creativity. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your French learning friends. Spread the knowledge. When you speak French, let your confidence shine. You've got this. Keep practicing.
Et n'oublie pas de paraître confiant quand tu parles français.
Join us next time for more French fun. Click that bell icon so you won't miss it. See you next time.